Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Copilot error. It looks like you have been signed out in Windows on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also having error on your Copilot, then the first workaround is go to settings, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to Windows Update and from the right side click on check for updates, and if any update available simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of certain features not working properly on your system. So update your operating system first. The second one is open Microsoft Edge browser, and here from the top right corner click on three horizontal dot and hover the cursor on help and feedback and choose about Microsoft Edge and checking for updates. It will update your Microsoft Edge browser and check whether your Copilot error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click, click on three horizontal dot and choose delete browsing data. Clear your Microsoft Edge browser caches, cookies, and site history. Make the check against all this option. Time range should be all time, and finally click on clear now. Close the window and check whether your Copilot error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again go to settings, right click on start button and choose settings. And here from the left side, go to network and internet. Here from the right side, click on VPN. And if you have added any VPN connection, then simply remove it and allow VPN over meter network, allow VPN while roaming, disable all these two features also, and remove VPN connection if you have already added to your system. And check whether your Copilot error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose settings again. Here from the left side, choose system. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and here run network and internet troubleshooter. Click on run option and it will detect issues and solve them accordingly. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open Microsoft Edge browser and here click on three horizontal dot against top right corner and choose settings. Thereafter click on three horizontal line from top left corner and here choose reset settings. Click on it. Restore setting to their default values. Click on it and this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pin tabs. Choose reset again. Setting were reset to your default and check whether your Copilot error is resolved or not. It will definitely be resolved. That's all.